how to set Spotify song as alarm on Android without downloading. So you don't need to download the Spotify song to your Android phone before you can set it as your Android phone alarm. So basically here, I'm going to show you how to set your favorite Spotify song or Spotify music as alarm on your Android phone. So if I don't love this, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Literally, you can set any Spotify song as the alarm song on your Android phone. Now go ahead and open the clock app on your Android phone or alarm. Then locate the alarms you want to modify and click on it. Here, scroll down, click on alarm sound, and then you should see Spotify under alarm sound. Then go ahead and click on Spotify. Now once you click on Spotify, hang on. Then here you have a list to various shortcuts and a list of artists you often listen to on your shortcut. Then you can select a particular song you want to set as your alarm shortcut or click on any of the artists. Then once you click on the artist name, this is going to automatically set the latest song you listen to other than the artist as your alarm song. However, to set a particular song as your alarm song on Spotify, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Spotify app on your phone. Once you open the Spotify app on your phone, locate the song you want to set as your alarm song and then go ahead and play the song. So just play any of the song you want to use as a alarm song on your Spotify. Then once you played it, go back. Then go back to the alarm page again. Then hang on while it loads. Then locate the song recently played. You see that? Under recently played and then select it. Then it's going to be set as your alarm song on your Android phone. Then after that, go ahead and click on save. And then once you hit the save button, then the alarm song will be turned on or edited. So that is basically how to set Spotify song as alarm song on Android. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.